Alright, grade 2. For our maths today, we are doing another rounding off exercise. Now, here they give you an example. They say that 89 rounded to the nearest 10 is 90. Why do they say that? Let's remember what we learned Monday. We look at our 10. They are saying round to the nearest 10. So I make my A and I make my T. Now I go look at the 8 because that's the 10. So I underline it. The one after it is going to tell me whether it stays an 8 or whether it goes up. What is the rule? 1, 2, 3, 4 stays the same. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 goes to the next 10. What is this number? It is a 9, so it goes to the next 10. What's the 10 after 8? 90. Remember, then this last one falls away. It served its purpose, so we only write 90. I'm going to do the first 3 with you, and then the rest are up to you. Good, so let's look at number 1. They already did us the favor of underlining the number that because they say round to the nearest 10, so they already rounded it, underlined it for us. We just have to go work it out. So let's see. What number must we look at? The one after it. What's the rule? 1, 2, 3, 4 stays the same. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 goes to the next 10. What is this number? A 2. So 2 tells us that it stays the same. So we leave it as 8. The 2 has served its purpose, so we put a 0 in its place. This is correct because it's saying 82 is closer to 80 than it is to 90. Now let's take a different approach with this one, just so that I can show you guys exactly what it is when they mean round off. 84 is already past 80. So 80 will be on this side of 84, and it's headed up to 90. Do you understand that? If it were on a number line, we would count 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 89, 90. So 84 is somewhere between 80 and 90. We want to know, is it closer to 80 or is it closer to 90? So here we go. We look at the number after, which is a 4. What is my rule? 1, 2, 3, 4 stays the same. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 goes to the next 10. My number is a 4. That means that it stays the same. So I write my 8. The 4 has done its job, so I replace it with a 0. Okay. Number 3 is the same. Just so by the way, when it's a 0, I could actually have done this. I'm so sorry, I didn't even think about it. When it's a 0, it's going to stay the same because this is basically asking me, is 70 closer to 70 or to 80? 70 is closer to 70 because 70 is 70. So if it already has a 0 at the back, your job is already done. But I'm going to leave number 3 to you. I want you to quickly go look at, actually I want to take one of, no, okay, let me not do that one. Look at number 7 for me. Number 7 says 66. They're asking me to round to the nearest 10. They already underlined my 10. So I go look at the number after it. The number after it is a 6. What is my rule? 1, 2, 3, 4 stays the same. Actually, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 stays the same. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 goes to the next 10. What is this one? It is a 6, which means it goes to the next 10. What is my 10 after 60? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I write a 7. My 6 has done its job, so I write a 0. You can re-watch the ones that I did as examples over and over. Remember the little rhyme in your head. Remember the steps. Underline the number that you want to change Look at the number after it, say the little rule for yourself, and then remember the one at the back, which is in this case the unit, has already done its job. We don't need it anymore. So we replace it with a 0. If your number does not end in a 0 when you have written your answer, then you have made a mistake. Okay. Yes. Just follow the steps and you'll be fine.